Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Jasmine Nicole. If you're new, so today's video is part 2 of my backsplash video. It looks so good, you guys. But you'll see the finished product at the end of this video. Right now I'm just going to go ahead and finish up this wall. And I think I just took the mat and cut it while it was on the wall, like cut the outlet out of the mat while it was on the wall. So yeah, I found that to be the easiest way, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing now. Okay, y'all, so how I went about like putting my tile up, I tried to get as many whole pieces on the wall first as I could. So you're gonna see me playing around with the tiles. That's because I want to put like a full slab on the wall before I have to start cutting. So that's basically the method to my madness. So okay, so for this part, you don't see me using the glass cutter. Simply just using this X-Acto knife, or whatever you want to call it, and I'm just cutting through the lace part, the backing of the tile itself, and basically just cutting it through that sheet and placing it on there, because this is around the outlets and they don't have to be perfect, because you're just going to put the cover around the outlet anyway. So it don't have to be like perfect around the outlet. So that's why I just decided to cut them like in half that way. So Okay, y'all, so after I completed tiling, it's time for me to go back in and put some grout over it, and the grout is just going to fill in the spaces in between each tile and, you know, upgrade the look. So that's what I'm doing in this clip. Mackenzie, you know what my gloves are? You know what my gloves are? Okay, guys, so after all of the grouting and everything, now it's time to do the outlets. Now, to me, this is the most important part of making everything look seamless. So basically, with putting backsplash on your wall, you're basically adding another layer onto the wall. So the sockets are flush to the wall. So what you have to do is pull out the outlets and make them flush or flush, however you say it, against the towel. So you're just pulling it out and making sure that it's pulled up further enough to go with the towel. And you do, well, I did get some spacers from Home Depot to put in between the outlets, so that way when you screw it back in, that spacer is taking up the space between the towel and the wall. So I hope that makes sense. Okay, guys, so now I'm just finishing up the project. I will say I don't think I'll ever do like another backsplash project again, only because it was a little bit tedious. Well, not a little bit, a lot tedious, and I was rushing a bit to get this video done, and I should have taken more time to make sure everything was perfect, because I do have a lot of imperfections. Others may not be able to notice, but I noticed, like right here, I can just see some imperfections, and I don't know, it kind of bothers me because I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. But overall, it looks good. Everyone says it looks good, but yeah, I think I could have did better. But here's the finished product.